How to get Availity backup codes. Follow the instructions. Log into your Availity Essentials account using your registered username and password on the login page. Navigate to the account settings by clicking your profile icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Security Settings from the menu to manage your two-factor authentication preferences securely. Choose two-factor authentication and then click on Manage Backup Codes or similar option listed there. You'll be prompted to verify your identity. Complete the current 2FA process to proceed to backup code settings. After verification, click on Generate New Backup Codes to create a fresh set of one-time use codes instantly. Review the list of backup codes displayed. Each code can be used once to access your account if 2FA fails. Save or print your backup codes immediately and store them safely in a secure location for emergency access. Thank you for watching.